Hi, my name is Elizabeth Blandon. I'm going to be giving you some videos to help you navigate the immigration waters and get approved. If you have some questions after hearing the information on this video, feel free to leave a comment or call the office. This episode is about how to avoid a denial based on marriage fraud. There's no magical formula that indicates to an immigration officer or an immigration judge that a marriage is valid. Each one makes their decision based on your responses to their questions. They also use their gut instinct developed from experience and training. Our experience at Blandon Law has taught us that there are some things that should be done to ensure the highest likelihood of success. First, answer the basic question on their mind. Did you intend to establish a life together at the inception of your marriage? Although you both may have souvenirs of a trip you took this summer, also provide to the officer the menu of your wedding reception, for example, that was held 3 years ago. A couple that, worried about whether to serve vanilla rum or blackberry swirl cake and actually save the menu of that would impress anyone. Number 2, tread carefully when you're deciding to make unusual living arrangements. Prior to the residency interview, I encourage my clients to live in the same home, share expenses, share responsibilities, and know as much as possible about each other's finances. If you decide for one of you to live on the Gulf Coast while the other one lives in a beach house, just know that that's going to spark something in the immigration officer's mind. You may want to speak to an immigration attorney before even filing the case. Third, there is no such thing as being overly prepared. I ask my clients for all their documents, their life insurance, employer benefits, credit cards. Basically, if you have the document, I'm going to use it. And if you don't have it, I'm going to suggest you get it. I want to portray the life you have together. Finally, as with documents, there's no such thing as being overly prepared with information. The officer's going to want to know, as am I, how did you both meet? What was your first date like? As with insufficient documents, inconsistent responses are a reason for a denial. By the way, lying is the kiss of death. If you think you have to lie to get an approval, go see an attorney first. It may be your subconscious telling you that you think you're going to be denied. Don't let your case be denied or delayed. Either of those outcomes are going to make for many uncomfortable evenings together. This is Elizabeth Blandon again, looking forward to helping you make your success happen.